Today, I am reviewing the Midland GXT1000VP4 GMRS two-way radio. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are out in the backcountry, off the grid, or navigating a massive outdoor job site, reliable communication is not just a matter of convenience. It can quickly become a matter of safety. Cell phones are fantastic until you lose service, which happens far more often than most people realize when they step away from urban centers. That is where a heavy-duty two-way radio system comes into play, and having spent significant time testing the Midland GXT1000VP4 GMRS two-way radios, I can confidently say that this two-pack kit sets a very high standard for consumer-grade communication gear. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about these black and silver radios is their robust build quality. They feel incredibly solid in the hand, balanced by a weight that implies durability without being overly bulky or heavy on your belt loop. Midland has designed these to withstand the elements, giving them a waterproof rating that ensures they will keep functioning perfectly through heavy rainstorms, splashes, or accidental drops in wet grass. For anyone who enjoys hiking, camping, hunting, or skiing, knowing your lifeline to the rest of your group will not short out the moment the weather turns bad provides immense peace of mind. The performance of these radios hinges on their 50-channel capability, which consists of 22 standard channels plus 28 extra channels. Having access to this many options is crucial, especially if you are using them in crowded areas like state parks during peak season, amusement parks, or large-scale community events where public frequencies are flooded with traffic. To complement this, the inclusion of 142 privacy codes is a massive feature. When you do the math, these codes combine to provide up to 5,560 channel options. This effectively ensures that you can find a completely clear line of communication, effectively blocking out unwanted chatter from other parties nearby so your group can converse without constant interruption. Range is always the big question when it comes to walkie-talkies, and while the marketing materials mention a distance of up to 36 miles under absolute peak, ideal conditions, real-world testing proves they hold up incredibly well across various terrain types. In wide open spaces with a clear line of sight, the signal is crystal clear and strong. When you take them into more challenging environments, such as dense forests or hilly areas, the range naturally drops as it does with all radio technology, but the power output on these GMRS units allows them to penetrate obstacles far better than standard, low-powered FRS radios. One of my absolute favorite, standout features of this specific model is the direct call capability. There are plenty of times when you need to speak to just one specific person in your party without broadcasting that message to the entire group and interrupting whatever they're doing. This unit allows you to make direct calls to a single individual within your network, maintaining a level of focus and privacy that is rare in standard two-way radios. Additionally, for emergency situations, the built-in SOS siren is a brilliant safety inclusion that can instantly broadcast a distress signal to anyone within range if you find yourself injured or lost. Safety is further enhanced by the integrated National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Weather Alert radio function. The device automatically scans and locks onto your local weather channel, and it will actively alert you to severe incoming weather conditions. If you are miles away from shelter, getting an early warning about a severe thunderstorm, flash flood, or sudden blizzard gives you the critical time needed to pack up camp and seek safety. The package includes rechargeable nickel-metal hydride battery packs, a convenient desktop charger, a pair of headsets, and 12-volt DC adapters for your vehicle, giving you multiple ways to keep the devices powered during long road trips or extended outdoor stays. Should you run out of battery power while far away from a charging outlet, you can easily swap out the rechargeable packs for standard alkaline batteries, ensuring you are never left stranded with a dead device. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, Midland clearly stands behind the longevity of this hardware. For anyone seeking dependable, rugged, clear, and long-range communication for work or outdoor adventures, this two-way radio kit proves itself to be an exceptional investment that performs beautifully when it matters most.